he really needs to just work.
Wow. No, you're not.
What did you do?
Nothing.
No. There's no reason why you should get it
Can't yet. There's some parentheses up in there.
Why are you taking 12 grand?
Oh, you gotta get to the very
What is this 3x? Oh, you,
They already are on one side.
okay, look, honey. What is this? That's a negative x. So why are you taking it away?
Well, say that with a little more oomph. Yeah, thank you.
Why
I was
are
gonna
you
say
taking
gusto.
away an x from both sides? Took away an x from here.
Okay. That was not
Adding
right.
an
Just
x.
happy.
Adding an x.
Lucas, what am I distributing?
distributing.
And then you took away a negative 12. And you took away a negative 12. Negative 24.
Good, good. Negative 8 into what?
The x and 1. And positive 1.
Well, I've been at this for-
Am I distributing it to the
I've
4x?
been at this for a
No.
while.
Am I distributing it to
I'm
the
only
8?
for your mom.
No.
No. Only to what's inside the parentheses. So I'm going to distribute this negative 8. So I'm just going to rewrite the 4x. Negative 8 times x is
Even then, I still get a
negative 8 times 1 equals
Mhm. Well, that's very nice of you, but it doesn't sound right.
now what?
Yeah.
I know, tell me about it.
Nobody but Kayla and Neil think they can tell me what to do next.
No, hold on, look. You have, go ahead and do this first. You had 3x, right? Plus x, which is 4x. It's fine. You do that right. First, 4x minus 12
4x and negative.
Good. I'm going to combine my like terms.
Right.
4x and negative 8x. What do I get when I combine 4x and negative 8x? I have positive 4 and a negative 8.
Add
32.
That's multiplying. We're not multiplying, we're adding 4x.
Whoa!
Don't judge me.
When we combine our like terms, we add them. Remember? You told me I'm adding them and then you multiplied. What's 4x minus 8x?
You're about to say something.
There we go. Good job, Stacey. You did that all on your own. I'm so proud. Alright, so now I have negative 4x minus 8 equals 8. Then what?
You do negative 8 plus 8,
Good.
and then plus 8 on the other side
Good.
to get what you
Who is this?
16. Negative 4x equals 16.
Good.
Is someone snapping? Anyone? Yeah, right here. Never. Man's best friend actually.
By doing what? By what? By what? By negative 4. Negative 4x divided by negative 4 is? And 16 divided by negative 4 is? Negative 4. Okay? And we will need to check that, but let's go back to what Lami said at the very beginning. Okay? And I have 4x minus 8 times x plus 1 equals 8. And Lami, you said to divide everything by what?
4.
By 4.
So divide by 5.
Okay? 4x divided by 4 is?
Divide 25, divide by 5.
Cancels out.
You're still
And I'm left with just x. Okay? Now, here's the thing. You don't divide what's inside the parentheses, just what's outside the parentheses. So negative 8
No.
divided by 4 is?
Negative.
Negative 2 times x plus 1. And then 8 divided by 4 is? 2. Okay? Then I'm going to distribute. So negative 2 times x is? Negative 2x.
Yep.
Negative 2 times 1 is
Whoa, what is this?
negative 2.
Okay.
Combine
there's
my
a
like
five?
terms. What's x minus 2x?
You want to make it better?
X minus 2x.
Wait, so x minus 2.
I haven't heard the correct answer yet.
X minus 2
No, not
Negative one.
There we go.
Oh, wait, hold on,
Negative
hold on.
x minus 2 equals 2. Okay. Then I'm going to add 2 to both sides.
Yeah.
So I have negative x equals 4. Now, sorry, I'm going really fast.
I'm still stuck on x minus 2 x.
8 equals 8.
Okay.
8.
What do you see as the problem here, Nina?
Okay.
Okay, what is this one?
See, on the right hand side.
Okay,
it says
But
makes sense.
notice the first one says x equals negative 4, and the second one says negative x equals 4. Is my variable by itself yet? No, there's a negative attached to it. What do I do to get the variable completely by itself?
Yes, you did. Attend to How about attend to precision? Makes sense.
What do I do to
You had to come help.
Look for it and make use of structure.
if I divide by 1, I'm going to have exactly what I have right now. Divide by negative 1 to get the x by itself. Okay. My negative and negative make a positive x, and 4 divided by negative 1 equals negative 4.
Look for it and make use of structure. Look for it and express regular.
Yes, Kayla.
If you have like a problem like at the couple we just
Make
did,
use of structure.
could you combine like terms
Meaning
and then
whatever
like
you do on
simplify
side,
it?
you
You
have
could
to
do that.
structure.
As long as you did it to every single term. Yeah, so like if I'm at this step right here where I combine like terms, so I had negative 4x minus 8 equals 8. So when I look at this, I'm like, these are all divisible by what? By 4. So I could have divided all this by 4. Negative 4x divided by 4 equals negative x. Negative 8 divided by 4 equals negative 2. And 8 divided by 4 equals 2. And if you look, that's the exact same step that I have down here. Do you see how they're the exact same step? So I'm going to end up here. So yeah, if they're all divisible by the same thing, you can do that every time, as long as you do it to every single term. Okay? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's lots of different ways you can solve the equations, as long as you're not breaking the rules. Whatever you do to one, you gotta do to them all. Okay? I'm not telling you that you have to use one or the other. Like I said, always do it that first way just because I've been programmed that way. And it's really taken me some time to look and see that I can do it other ways, Javier.